Saw your picture on a poster, and it kept me out in Phoenix. Guess you're still a sweetheart of a rodeo. As for me and little Casey, we still make the circuit in a one-horse trailer and a mobile home. She still asks about you all the time, but I guess we never even crossed your mind. But oh, sometimes I think about you and the way you used to ride out in your rhinestones and your sequins, with the sunlight on your hair, and all the ground will always love you. But as for me, I've come to know everything that glitters is not gold. Well, already it's getting older, and last Saturday is tumbled, but you know I just can't bear to let him go. Little Casey, she's still growing, and she started asking questions, and there's certain things a man just doesn't know. Her birthday came and you never even called. Oh, I guess we never crossed your mind at all. But oh, so